Hello everyone, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and today's topic, guys, we're going to be talking about why I think Mazda has failed as a car company and might go out of business within the next 5 to 10 years, maybe even less. So stay tuned. First of all, guys, I want you guys to please hit the subscribe button, click the like button, comment. Yeah, please just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Guess what? It does help me. And I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers. That's the goal. I mean, I'm way far away from that, but the more times you guys hit the subscribe button, the better. And somehow the YouTube algorithm actually works. Now, guys, let's talk about why Mazda is going to fail as a company. First of all, guys, we got to look back at the history. So, a lot of the good Mazdas was the Mazda Speed 3, both generations. I'm going to show you pictures here. Mazda Speed 6, you got the Mazda Miata, of course, yes, not really too iconic, but whatever, and the Mazda RX-7, and we can include the Mazda RX-8. There's some pictures that got to pop up on the screen that you're going to see. I'm just more of a talking vlog. Now, guys, when did Mazda actually go boring? That's when they discontinued the Mazda Speed 3. They discontinued the rotary engine, so they're not going to do that production anymore. That was in the mid 2000s, closer to 2010, 2012 already. That's it. That's when they finished doing all that. Why I think it's failed. Okay, now the designs are beautiful on Mazda. They're aggressive. They look like it's a fast car, but it's actually a turtle. They're really slow. It just all looks, no play. Why I'm disappointed? Yes, maybe some of the Mazdas are a little faster, depending. I haven't test drove any of the new ones. I did test drive some new ones. Didn't like it. My Mazda 3 that I have that's tuned is way faster, and that's a second generation Mazda 3 as opposed to the third and fourth generations, or the third generation actually. Well, actually, no, there's four generations already. Anyway, so yes, the new Mazdas look cool. I'm going to show you pictures of them here too as well. The new Mazdas actually look cool, but here's the problem. I really like the look of the Mazda 3, but here's the problem. Mazda has failed expectations by a lot. I mean, companies always raise your expectations higher on concept cars and everything, but this one has failed a lot. Okay, so I really like the Skyactiv engine. It's a really good engine, actually. The reason why I did 4 engine swaps because of my silly, I should say, problems that I had making silly mistakes and experiments on it. But anyway, besides the point of that, the Skyactiv engine was supposed to be the new one that's coming out. Was supposed to be, first of all, turbocharged, and I believe 18-to-1 or 19-to-1 engine compression. Very high compression. The Mazda Skyactiv engine already has a high compression of 13-to-1 up to 14-to-1, depending on the engine and year. But this one's going to be even higher, like 18-to-1 and 19-to-1. So what their plan was, they're going to turbocharge it. So basically it was going to run like on 5 pounds of boost. But, it was going to work like a diesel. So it was going to start like a gasoline engine, but because the compression is so high, they could ignite that gasoline fuel and it'll work exactly like a diesel. So no need for spark plugs during that time. Well, Mazda has failed to do that. First of all, it's only I believe, a 18-to-1 compression engine, but very boring. No power whatsoever. Also, most of their cars are boring too. Like, if a car enthusiast you walk up, you can't even modify it anymore, because the technology in it is so hard to crack at Mazda's computer, especially the new ones. So basically, guys, yes, basically, they are boring. The reason why they're going to fail is because they failed to meet expectations. And also, they were going to make a supercharged, or not supercharged, a hybrid RX-8 or RX-9 as they called it. And they're simply just not going to come up with that. They discontinued that again too. So basically, yes, that's why they're going to fail and close down, because not many people are going to buy a Mazda Because really there's only 3 models, I think, or there's very few models when you go to a Mazda dealership to buy a car. So you got the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, Mazda Miata RF, that's the boring Skyactiv engine, same thing, and you can't really do much in it, and just dumb SUVs, which I hate because they're not even fast. They're just 4 cylinders anyway. So yes, guys, Mazda, that's why they're gonna actually lose might run out of business for those reasons. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, just hit the subscribe button. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package, drive an attempt on the 6 Series.